Hey everybody, I want to show you my Volcano Raino model. And I do have an investor with $3 million interested in investing. So let's take a look at it. Here you have a big slide that comes down. There will be a fence around the perimeter. There's going to be it's going to be a lazy river that circulates around Volcano Raino. And then you come over here, and I haven't got it finished, but there's going to be a covered bridge over the main entrance that goes over the water, and it's going to clear it by 5 feet so that you can lazy river all the way around going under the bridge. Come around here, and there's going to be a waterfall rock wall, and it's going to be 20 feet deep right here so that you can jump from this plank. And there's going to be a few more little rock walls that lead all the way up to the top. The pool water will bubble and be colored red, and there will be jets every so often all the way out that shoots water straight up so that it looks like the volcano's erupting. And then you come out this way, and there's going to be a little beach area out here where there's beach chairs and lockers so that you can put your clothes away. And then you come around this way, and this is the cave exit from the restrooms. From after you go upstairs, there's going to be a little bump here that will keep you from, if you fall, it'll split you this way or this way, and here over the entrance to the door. I'm really, really excited about this. This is my dream.